Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check if the Poco C51 is original or fake. Now to do that I have a few codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now as you can see, these are all the codes to check if our Poco phone is original or fake. Now if all these codes work on your smartphone, then your smartphone is original. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now from here just dial *#*# 64663 ##*. Now from here you can test the hardware of your smartphone. For example, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone. And also you can test the other hardware of your smartphone. Now if you tap on the software version, you can find the IMEI codes of your smartphone. Now from here, just compare the IMEI codes on the screen to the IMEI codes which are given on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now from here, just search IMEI Global. Now just open this website on your smartphone. Now just scroll down and tap on customer support. From here, as you can see, there are many countries supported. Just scroll down and select your country. Now, as you can see, there are many ways to contact with Xiaomi's customer service. You can contact with Xiaomi's customer service through the chat support, or you can contact with Xiaomi's customer service through the email support or through the phone number. Just select the chat support. If the chat support is not available in your country, just select the email support or the phone number. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on live chat. From here, just tap on yes. Now over here, just enter your Gmail address. Now once you enter your Gmail address, just tap on submit. And from here, just type warranty status. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Dear customer, welcome to Xiaomi's customer service. Now as you can see, they are asking us to share our IMEI number. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app on your smartphone. Now from here, just dial *#06#. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number on the screen. Now just tap on the three dots over here and select copy. Now from here, just go back to the website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Xiaomi's customer service to reply. Now as you can see, they have replied, "Dear customer, kindly wait a moment for them to check our smartphone's details." Now as you can see, they have replied. Now as you can see, this is the IMEI number of our smartphone. Now as you can see, we are currently using the Poco C75 to record this video, and from here you can check the warranty start date of your smartphone, and from here you can check the warranty end date of your smartphone, and also from here you can check the activation date of your smartphone. And this is how you can check if the Poco C51 is original or fake. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.